Today we're going to be looking at the AULA F75 wireless mechanical keyboard. This has a cord, keycap switch puller, and the Leobog Reaper switches with that tri-mode connection and your dongle. And of course you're going to have that RGB backlight giving you all the sweet light settings. This is going to be a 75% layout with a knob, and it is going to be hot swappable. Overall, I think it's a great keyboard and it's not going to break the bank. And before we hop into that sound test, please hit that like and subscribe button. Hopefully I'll see you in the next review video, and as always, thanks for watching.